What's up, y'all? Jupiter Bassin. So today I got a little video for you guys today. We are going to be doing a little unboxing. I went ahead and picked up some stuff for the kayak. I'm currently in a kayak tournament. I've been doing a lot of fishing on the kayak lately and I have enjoyed it a lot. But there's some things that I needed to pick up. So I placed a little tackle warehouse order. Came in the mail. So let's go ahead and pop this baby open and see what we have inside. Alright, so first thing, I got this Hog Farmer. It's the Spunk Shad. It's a trailer 3.5 in a natural gill, I believe. Let's go ahead and pop this baby open, take a look. Yeah, that is awesome. That's going to be an awesome little trailer. The action of that little tail on the back. Plus, it's got that green, blue, and purplish tint to it. Perfect for mimicking or imitating a gill. And right now, because it's a spawn, and different processes regardless of the situation, it's good to use those colors that are, you know, representing a gill or even a shad. So the next thing I got, which I need for my kayak, is another money bag. So this Bass Mafia bag was on sale on Tackle Warehouse, so I went ahead and picked this up. The next thing I went ahead and got is this Pocket Knock Lure Retriever. And it's a 3-pack, and I've noticed on the kayak, over and over, time and time again, I get hung up on stumps or trees below, or even just hitting the bottom and getting my treble hook baits hooked on there. And all it takes is just a little bit of a knock. Luckily, it's been not deep enough, and I know it's not good for the rod, and that's why I want to get these, is because I've been basically knocking the tip of my rod into the stump or into the ground or whatever the case is, and it's good for now, but I know eventually it's going to ruin the tips on my rods, which I do not want to do. So I went ahead and got these babies, so these should be good. The next thing I got, and I've been killing it on flukes. Most of my fish in the last couple of trips has been on a fluke, so I went and picked up these bruiser baits. Let's see, the Big Jerk. And it's in a golden shad. I tried to find something a little more gold because these fish really have been attracted to that gold bait. I wanted something that looks a lot like a shiner. And these definitely fit the part. They're nice and soft. They got that gold back with the silver belly. So I'm kind of killing two birds with one stone. I like bruiser baits, so we'll give these babies a try out. So the next thing I got, and these were like, I was looking for flukes, and these were dirt cheap, like, I think like $3 a pack. So, why not give them a try? So, I picked up these Guggen baits. It is the Dart in a 7-inch. This is green pumpkin blue. So, you're getting that nice bluegill imitation right there with this. I'm not going to take these out of the packet. They got that sauce or whatever it is. They got the slaunch sauce, I guess, or whatever. But, you know, $3, it's worth a try for me to go ahead and try these out. So I picked that up. And then I got this other color, which is Electric Shad. I don't know if you guys can see that on there, but it's a nice blue, silver, with like a greenish black back on it. So that should be good. That's another packet of those. So they were, like I said, dirt cheap. So why not try it? I got this Poppin' Pad Crasher. And I don't really have any of the Poppin' ones, so, or at least I can't find any of them. This is the Kuro Frog, so it's red and black. I really like the color of it. Something different to add to my arsenal, so I'm excited to use that. And then the last one I got of these Poppin' Pad Crashers, which these were on sale as well for, I think, $4 or $5. They're like $7 or $8 at Walmart, so couldn't really beat that price. This one's Pumpkin Seed. I just like the color. It's a green, orange, and yellow. Kind of changes it up from what I have in my, you know, tackle box. Mostly is all shad or bluegill pattern. And then the last thing I got, which this was the most expensive thing I got in the box, is this is the Thud 70, and it's in a 1/2 ounce. I believe it's called Gold Reactor. And I crush it with this gold reactor pattern. I really like it. I have some of the Provokes. I have I think the other one. I mean, this is the Quake Thud, by the way. That's the model of this. But I have quite a few crankbaits of theirs or hard baits from 6th Sense in that gold reactor color, and it's always done really well with me. So I lost this one of my last trips out, so I went ahead and picked up a replacement for it. And that's going to be it. That's about all I got. It's a quick little video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let's go ahead and take these baits out and catch some more fish. Hopefully I'm in a tournament right now, and I'm in 4th place, but we're only 1 or 2 big fish away from bumping us back into the money. So we'll see how that goes, and those videos should be coming out. I believe I went ahead and put this video in right after the first video, and you'll probably see why I went ahead and picked up some of these soft jerk baits. So hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, y'all, peace.